Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to recreate the Age application in form of a web page that we created in our one of the previous video in code.org. Link is in the description, guys. And in the previous video of this bonus sub series, we just recreated the square calculator. So the link is in the description for that video also. Please watch both of the videos. So let's get into it. So guys, previously if you remember, we created a folder inside the MSVS code folder, square calculate, remake of all projects. In that, I just individually opened the same folder where we are remaking all the projects, and I added the square calculator folder where all of the work that we did in the previous video is stored off. Okay guys, this is because the whole thing was looking very congested and I felt that it would be very difficult for you guys to understand. So this is it. Let's get now rocking in it. So we're going to create a new folder, Age app. Okay, over here, Age app. Let's get it out of the square calculator folder, and we're going to add a new project in it, Age app.javascript. JS is fine. JS is the short form for JavaScript. So we're writing .js for the computer to understand that the whole program is of JavaScript. We're writing the whole code in JavaScript so that the computer would react accordingly. Now we're going to create a new file, new project of HTML, age app.html, like over here, and add our usual emit abbreviation doc. Now over here we're going to give it the title of Age web, because it's not an app, it's web. It's a web page, so we're just writing web for its short form. Okay, the board. Now I just added one more update. I just forgot to tell you guys that how can you add an image as a background. Yes, you heard it right, image as the background of your web page. So guys, this is the code for it. IMG, you will get something like this. This would be an emit abbreviation. Just click over here. Okay guys, and now you should find one image which is big enough, and I'm just going to find that. Meet you in a minute. I found it, guys. So now this is the image, space light luster 30 blah blah. So it's a 3000 by 2000.jpg. You can find bigger, but I would recommend not smaller. Okay, so the link for this is in the description, guys. If you want it, you can find that from the description and get the same image. But if your wish is to just like not use this one, use another one, you can go ahead, you can find a GIF too. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just using a JPEG file. So just in our HTML file, the img source is equals to, and write it in the colons. Just don't get it out of it. And guys, remember one more thing. This was the silly mistake that I made it while creating the preview for you all. The mistake was that this JPEG file was out of the folder where I created the HTML and JavaScript projects. So when I added the name of it over here, it was not showing because it wasn't in the folder. So please be sure, if you are creating a folder, then be sure that the JPEG of yours should be inside the folder. Okay, so the source is space light luster 3000 by 2000.jpg. Okay, over here write this. You can write the name of your JPEG. Just write the first letter and dot G, if that is a JPEG. I'm just pronouncing it all wrong. JPEG. If that file is JPEG, Then just write the first letter of the file .j and you'll get the file. If that is a GIF, then the first letter S, if just suppose that the first letter is S, so s.jg and you'll get that. It's really simple. You don't have to copy paste the whole name, that wouldn't be necessary. So now we're going to see if actually that image is coming fine. So we're going to Control O, we're going to just open that HTML document of ours, like over here, and congratulations, it's coming. See, it's so cool, it's so amazing, the whole file. Yeah, the background is looking amazing, actually amazing. Let's open the console and see. Wow, it's looking good, guys. Nice. So now let's start coding in the JavaScript folder. First of all, we're going to add the script source, age app.javascript, and let's start coding. So the variable age is equal to the prompt function. Oh yes, spelling wrong. Prompt function which would ask the user, what is your age in years? We would convert it in months. We would convert it in months, hours, and minutes. Okay, this is going to be the string. This is what we're writing inside. This is what the prompt function would ask the user. If you don't know, the prompt function asks the user something. Now I'm going to just explain this whole line. This line where age is declaring a variable which name is age, and this is equals to sign is assigning a value to it. Whatever is written after the sign would be the value of the variable age. Okay, and what does a prompt function do? It asks the user something. And what does it asks the user it asks the user? That is over here inside the bracket as a string. Okay, so now we're going to create a new variable age. We're going to create a variable. The name is going to be age in months. Okay, age in months, and that would be equal to 12 multiplied by the variable age. So if your age is 1 year, then it would be 12 months, because 1 year contains 12 months. So variable age in months is equal to 12 into age. So for the sake of the tutorial, we're just going to suppose that the variable age's value is 1. So now for the rest two variables which we are going to create, we're going to take the value as 1. Okay, now variable age in hours is equals to 365 multiplied by 24 multiplied by age. This is because 365 is equals to the number 365 is the number of days in a year, and 24 is the number of hours in a day, and that would be multiplied to age to get the age in hours. Okay, now variable age in minutes is equal to 365 into 1440. So 1440 is the number of minutes in a day. Okay, so you cannot change the number. 1440 should be it. You can search the net if you want to for the number of minutes in a day if I'm wrong. Age into age, so this will get us the age in minutes of the user. Okay, so now an alert function, alert, that alert would say your age in month is equals to, with a space bar, okay, with one space, and then after the colons, inverted commas, just add a plus sign, and then write age in hour months, because yeah, age in months, because we're telling the user it's his or her age in months. So age in months plus a string months and a space in before this string months. Okay, your age in months is equals to 1 month, because we're taking 12 months, because we're taking the age variable as 1. Okay, so now we're going to copy this alert function right here, and after copying we're going to paste it 3 times more. Okay, like this, and then your age in hours over here, hours is equals to age in hours plus, instead of months over here we're going to write hours. Okay, your age in minutes right here, in minutes plus age in minutes plus, wait a minute, let's age in minutes, yes, and over here we're going to write this minutes, and for our clearance we're going to Google if our answers are correct or not. Okay, and then we're going to add new alert. You can also check the console, you can also check the console for the same, and then a exclamatory mark. Okay, this much. Control K and S, this would save everything. So there was just one problem. After all the prompt functions, this, no, maybe that happened because I wrote it in the wrong order. Maybe this would happen fine right now. So ready, set, here we go. What? No, it's happening. See, this image is not loading, but the moment we'll end the prompt functions, let me show that to you. It's now loaded. So let's see. What is your age in years? We would convert it in months, hours, and minutes. So for the sake of the tutorial, my age in years is 1. Supposing my age in months is equal to 12 months, my age in hours is equal to 8760 hours, and my age in minutes is equal to 5200 525,600 minutes. You can also check the console for the same. Let's go to inspect and go to console, and now let's upload all the things in the console. Okay, wait a minute, yes, now let's upload or write all the things in the console. Okay, 3 things. Okay, so now it would be in console.log, but then also we don't want to write everything right here. Console.log, your age in months is equals to, yes, instead of alert we're just going to change it into console.log. Yes, okay, here, yes, now let's save and do it again. Yeah, I'm really sorry. I did not convert this into console.log. We wanna just convert the alert or delete the alert and write console.log, so all the information is uploaded on console.log. And according to my information, you should write this console.log at the end, because we're declaring the variable later on. But let's see if my when we would go to the console. Wait a sec, we did not save it, did we? No, my bad. What is your age in years? 1. Your age in months, 12 months. Okay. Cancel. Yes, so now it's reloading all over again. Let's say inspect, and when we would go to the console, it's undefined months, because when the information on the console is getting uploaded, we haven't declared the variable nor given a value to it. So that's why it's coming like that. Now it would work fine. And now everything would work out fine. Let me show that to you all again. Let's save this, go to the Chrome browser and go it all over again. Yes, what is your age in years? We would convert it in months, hours and minutes. Supposing my age is 1 year, then my age in months is equals to 12 months. Age in hours is equals to 8760 hours. My age in minutes is equals to 525,600 minutes. Okay, you can also check the console for the same. Yeah, okay, now let's see. Now this is fine. Okay, now we're going to Google everything for your information and your clarity. So obviously you know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we're not going to Google this, but we're going to Google the rest of it. So 1 year into hours So yeah, we're not taking it 8760. See, it's correct. 1 year is equals to 8760 hours. Yeah. And your age in minutes, so 1 year into minutes is equal to 525,600. 525,600. So guys, this is the end of the video. Let's check my age first. I'm 10. My age in months is 120 months. I'm 876,000 hours old, and I am 5,256,000 minutes old. Oh, I'm really big in minutes. That's very big value. You can also take the console for the same. Let's see if the console is working fine again, and we're going to end the whole thing. Cool. Working just fine, guys. Thank you for watching this video. We just learned one more thing today, how to add an image in your web page. So this image is looking really cool, guys. You can add a GIF also. Link is in the description for this, and link is in the description for both the two videos. And in all textual videos, I always put the link of MS Code download. Let's see you over there in the next part of this bonus sub-series. Maybe there is no next part because we are not make the country info app. But yeah, wherever, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.